Hi, the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Friday, January 27th. Well, despite the fact that it is late January, it's a very spring-like morning here in the Mid-Atlantic region. Temperatures are already near 60 degrees across Washington, D.C. and the Philadelphia area as well up in the 50s near New York City as a cold front slowly works its way through the Mid-Atlantic region. There are some heavy showers and even some embedded thunderstorms associated with this frontal system. For the next several hours, there can be downpours right here along the Mid-Atlantic coast. Let's take a look at the latest surface map. Here's that frontal system. It's a strong front. It's got a lot of moisture working its way up the east coast and southerly winds, and again, temperatures already 60 degrees around Washington and near 60 in Philadelphia, and up in the 50s in the New York City region, and they may approach 60 degrees before this front sweeps through later on today. But there are quite a few heavy showers and thunderstorms. The next couple hours can feature some downpours with some wind gusts past 35 miles an hour or so. Here's the current radar loop, and there's quite a band of heavy showers headed right for the Washington, D.C. area as we speak, as well as up a little bit farther to the north and east. Quite a few heavy showers and maybe an embedded rumble of thunder headed towards Chester County into southeastern PA. All of this is sliding to the northeast towards the New York City region. So the next hour or two will feature some of this heavy rain D.C. area, probably the next 2 or 3 hours in Philadelphia, and maybe the next 3 to 4 hours across New York City as this front slowly works its way to the east coast. By later this afternoon, the sunshine can make an appearance, especially across Washington, D.C. and Philadelphia, and temperatures are, again, incredibly mild with highs in the 60s in much of the Mid-Atlantic region during the morning hours. They could slowly drop this afternoon as somewhat colder air moves in, first in the Washington, D.C. area, by later in the day up across Philadelphia and New York. Now tonight we'll get chilly, but still well above normal for this time of the year. Well, let's take a quick look at a couple of computer forecast maps. This is the GFS model for tonight, and by this time the front is well off the coast. The rain pretty much has ended across Washington and Philadelphia. Maybe a little residual rain later in the day, lasting in the New York City region, but the heaviest stuff certainly will be over the next few hours. Now, there is a chilly northwest flow of air, and tomorrow will be certainly colder than today, but again, above normal. Now, there's a couple of colder shots headed our way for the latter part of the weekend. In fact, the one that comes through Sunday night may be accompanied by snow showers. So let's jump ahead to the Sunday night GFS forecast map. Well, here it is, and despite the fact that we have spring-like this morning, Sunday night poses the possibility of some snow showers and perhaps even a coating or so in parts of the Mid-Atlantic region. Here we have quite an upper-level disturbance with a little bit of moisture in cold air. It's already pretty cold in the upper part of the atmosphere by Sunday night, and this is headed right through the Mid-Atlantic region, so there can be snow showers really anywhere from Washington all the way up through New York City during the Sunday night time frame. Now, again, there's some moisture here showing up at the surface. Now, let's take a look at the upper air map for Sunday night. Here's the upper air map, the 500 millibar, which is about 18,000 feet up in the atmosphere, kind of the one of the most important parts of the atmosphere. And what this shows is it's quite an energetic system in the upper part of the atmosphere that's sliding through Sunday night. That's why I think there's a good possibility that snow showers will not only survive over the eastern part of the Great Lakes, but they'll survive the trek over the Appalachian Mountains into the Mid-Atlantic coastal region. So watch for heavy showers and thunderstorms over the next few hours here along the Mid-Atlantic coast, and then the possibility of some snow showers Sunday night as colder air moves in. Now, that cold shot will last through Monday, but then will get milder once again as a cold shot quickly gives way to warmer air, and Tuesday and Wednesday will be quite mild before yet another cold front works its way through the Mid-Atlantic region. That's it for the SIweather.com. I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.